Berkaná Crystal specializes in creating unique lighting solutions. The word unique gets thrown around a lot, but if you really look around at the things that we have, you'll recognize that it is in fact true for Berkaná Crystal. Taking a look at the holly leaf collection, we can see that we're doing the effect of leaves falling from the sky. These can be arranged in any configuration. This is something that we have going for something that can go above a bar or above a small dining room table. The leaves are also made to be showcased in different seasons. This season that we have here is summer, which is utilizing the gold mica flakes, the gold foil, and the transparent and gradient leaves to showcase the collection and showcase the coming and going of the summer season.